Can spiritual growth take place in the afterlife? Yes, it seems to be a law of the universe that growth is always possible. According to many accounts, in the spiritual world there are teachers and guides, people who died, sometimes centuries before, who have a mission to guide newcomers who want to learn and grow in the spirit world. For children, there are teachers who provide them with basic knowledge and people in the position of parents who provide them with essential love. Those who lack emotional growth or have lived unloving, resentful, vengeful or selfish lives will be given the opportunity to serve and help others in order to advance to higher realms. They can also return to earth as spiritual helpers, as guardian angels, to influence people to avoid misdeeds and harmful lifestyles and to overcome unloving attitudes. Those who have passed on often return to their descendants to help and protect them. In this way, spiritual growth occurs for both. The desire for this spiritual growth comes from the desire to be close to God. The spiritual world is one in which the goal of growth is ever greater unity with God's love. It is clear that spiritual growth, no longer having one's physical body to have substantial experience of love and service toward God and in others, is much slower and more difficult because, in order to receive benefits, one has to be able to lead people on earth toward God and to live His ideal well, but most people on earth, even the most religious, have undeveloped and closed spiritual senses to perceive us clearly. That's why the best thing is, to know and practice God's truth while we live on earth, so that we can grow as much as possible spiritually in heart and in love with God, and allow God to thus give us the right elements of life and energy, and make us live spiritually, as well as physically, the right experiences.